What is up, Ramblio and YouTube? So, I got some new loops. What's new? I got lots of new loops. And these are all from Combead Soph, or Combead Company, who is my friend. They are all amazing. I love every single one of these. I'm going to try and describe these to you in as best detail as I can. And yeah, I hope you guys like the sounds that these make, and I hope you guys enjoy. So the first loop I got, I'm not going to go in any particular order because I'm just going to pick random. So this is a duo loop, which means there's two loops together, and it makes it really satisfying and very fiddly. This loop has mini barrel beads. So I have a duo loop that has barrel beads, but the barrel beads are longer. But this is a smaller duo loop. And this duo loop has two mini loops on it instead of regular size. So it's very cute. Then we've got this XL loop, and this loop has lots of different shaped beads. So we've got crystal beads, we've got textured round beads, smooth beads, basically a pattern of those three beads, like randomly placed throughout the XL loop. And I love the textures on it. I love the three different types of beads. I think it's very, very unique. Next, we've got this infinity loop, which basically means there are three loops attached together. And the beads on this are they're round, but they're longer. They're like oval shaped, and they're very small beads. So this is what this infinity looks like. I'm trying to describe these as best as I can. But these all make amazing ASMR. I'm just putting all my loops in the bag that I keep all my loops in. Next loop is this glass beaded loop. These are sea glass, according to my brother. And this is how I know what these beads are like, because my brother described them to me. So this is sea glass. It's a very nice jangly sound. It's an XL loop. The beads are sea glass, and they are smooth. One of my favorites. We then have a regular size loop, and this loop has hexagonal beads. Then we've got another XL, and this one has hearts, so little plastic hearts. Oh, kind of big plastic hearts, actually. And it's XL. Another one of my favorites. Then we've got another XL, and this is my favorite out of all of them. It's got giant flower beads, and they're plastic. I know it sounds metal, but it's not. It's plastic. Probably because the loop itself is metal. Then we've got a double loop, or a duo loop, and this one has mini flowers all over it. I've got a lot of flower beaded loops. I love flowers. Then we've got this regular loop, and it's got flowers again, but these flowers are flat. Then we've got a crunchy loop, and this loop has like mini crunchy circles beads. It's sort of like the one from Hannah's Beads and Bob's, except it is bigger. It's a regular size loop, and it's more full. This next loop has these little plastic star beads, and the star beads are spiky, which it gives it an extra layer of tactile feedback. It's a regular size loop. This next loop is very unique because they're wooden beads. The beads are made of wood. And they are wooden giant flowers. You can tell the difference in sound. I love it. It's so unique. Then we've got a regular sized star loop, except these stars are 3D stars and they're not too spiky. It doesn't make too much noise, but it's a very nice little spiky loop. It's very tactile. Then we've got the hourglass beads again, and this is a duo loop. So I showed the hourglass beads before, but this is in a duo. So it's different. I love it. It's so good. And these are regular loops. Like regular sized duos. This next loop is very unique again. It is a metal loop. And these beads are metal hearts. Jangly and perfect. Then we've got another infinity, and this one has cylindrical beads. Something I'd never had before. So it's an infinity loop. And my brother said it has flags on the beads, like different flags for different countries. So there's Germany and France, I think. So there's that. Then we've got one of my favorites. This is a duo, and it's got metal, tactile, textured beads. And I keep dropping loops, and I don't know why. But I keep finding them, so it's fine. So yeah, these are metal, and they're very textured. And then we've got a few left. We've got 2 left, I think. Oh no, we should have 3 left. Okay, there's 3. No, there's 4 left. I keep finding more. Okay, there's 4 left of these. So we've got this mini infinity, or no, mini duo. So like a very mini duo, and the beads are cubed plastic. Then we've got this. It's sort of in between mini and regular size. It's a small loop, I'll just call it. And it's got little 3D hearts. I did not summon you. Then we've got this duo, and it's got crystal beads. And I believe they're glass. All crystal beads. And then finally, we've got the loop that I made. This is not from her. This is a loop that me and my brother made. It's a mini loop, and it's got little hearts. Except the hearts have like holes in the middle. So that is all of my new loops. I did get more. And that is the ones I got. Now my loop bag is very, very full. It's cool. I'm happy about it. I don't care that it's full. It means that I have a good collection of loops. And now I'm going to show you guys the other fidgets that I got. I got a few other bits. So I got the slow rising cheese from Funky Fidgets. So it's a slow rising wedge of cheese. And it's very much slow rising. It's a little bit sticky at first, but I'm sure that will go away after a bit. And it slow rises very quickly, or very slowly, which is what it should do. Then I got the Scrunchums ASMR ball, crunch ball from Funky Fidgets. It's got Bingsu beads inside. Love this. And then from Funky Fidgets, I got, what is it? Where is it? It's in here somewhere. Another chew tube because mine broke. Sorry, I couldn't find the words. So I got another chew tube as well. And then from Dan's Fidget Foundry, I got a giant fidget card because my friend inspired me to pick one of these up. It's huge. So it's got the rolling cylinders, the rolling balls, the clicky button, the spinning tile, and this thing spins so good, and then the infinity thing. So it's exactly like the mini fidget card, which I do have in here. Here it is. So this is the cylinders, the roller balls, where are they? The infinity thing, the button, and the little spinning tile. Mini. Adorable. Cute. So it's exactly like that, but bigger. A lot bigger. So in my basket, I'm going to put all my loops, of course. Every single one because I love them all. My giant fidget card. My chew tube. My crunch ball. And the silverware cheese. So basically everything. I'm putting everything in the basket this time. I do need to organize it though because it's very full. But yeah, that's everything I wanted to show you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video / recording. Bye!